welcome back to the next series of DNS Recon or Recon NG. So in the previous video I have told you about what is Recon NG. Actually it is a tool which is written in Python and it is a fantastic tool, and of course it is a framework, not a tool exactly, where you can gain information, or you can gather many type of information for a particular website or a company which you want. Actually it is a framework based tool where you can set where there are plenty of modules present in it and scripts. So using the scripts you can find many information for a particular domain you want to attack, you want to search. So let's start Recon NG. So in this video I will tell you about how can you gain some information about a particular domain. So let's add one workspace add work workspace command not found. Sorry, it will be workspaces. So workspaces add work. First you have to write the table name, then the command, what is going to be performed, and then the name of the command. And yeah, we are now at the work. Let's clear the screen and don't get confused if you get this error because there is a command. So clear the screen, it's done. And then add domains, the domains you want to perform. So I'm going to use a domain which is open source. Actually it is bbc.com. it is a British broadcast television company. So yeah, and now if you do show domains, you can see one domain is added as row id is one, domain is bbc.com, and module is user defined. And then you can do one thing, you can add companies also. Add companies, the company is suppose bbc, and it is a channel, a news channel. Any name you want to type, it's up to you. I'm just So now if you do show companies, you will get the description. That's it's on row id is the company's bbc, description is news channel, and the module. And then what can you do? You have to set some modules just like Metasploit framework. What do you do in Metasploit framework? You set some payload, and then you have to execute that payload, and after that the script performs or the payload performs depending upon what payload do you have choose. So in this case we have to choose one modules. In my case I am going to choose, I'm going to show you what modules will I choose. So press show modules. So there are plenty of modules over here. So what is the Recon modules? There is some actually we are going to use a whois database. So there is a module known as whois database, and what happens if you don't able to find the module? So do like this search whois. So we will get the Recon modules as whois, and I'm going to use this module Recon domains context dot whois. So how to use this module? Just like it's a little bit same as MSF console also use, and then write the module name. I will copy the module and I will paste it over here and press enter. So now we are in the module whois box, POCS, whatever it is. And if you do show info, so it will get the information what is required. So now at this modern its name of the source, current value is default, and value required yes, source of the input obviously default is select the string. So these type of things are so we don't need to set this type of string. We don't need to set the value over also here, because it will automatically get selected upon the Recon ng. These are for the advanced thing. If you want, you can change these settings also, it's up to you, but don't change these settings. Change the above things which you have written and then run. So if you press run, it will gather a whois. See, the website name is bbc.com, and summary we have got overall 5 total new contacts found. So see, we have got a http whois.arraynet.rest. We have got another website. We have got some contact known as, we have got 5 contact who is working at currently at BBC: Craig, Charles Keating, Justin Van Abrahams, and like this Justin Van Abrams. And we have got their server also from here. So this is something very much popular in this. And and of course these things can directly be used for the exploitation or to gain access obviously. But for a hacker perspective, these information are very good if you want to do some kind of penetration testing in this work. But don't do any type of penetration testing in this channel, because you don't have you generally will don't have any permission over there. But bbc.com is open source, so I'm doing over here. And one more thing, that for from a hacker's view, these information are very much important. You can't directly do any type of penetration testing, but by seeing this information, you can know who the which people are working over there and how the organization is set up for them. So this is the way you can gain information for any particular organization or a company by using the Recon ng. And there are many modules like host resolve, IP locator. You can get the IP address for everyone, which is for every company, like that, etc. So I hope you will like this video. So if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel also, so it will help me a lot. Thank you for watching the video.